Best 3D printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at 5 of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MakerBot Replicator Plus. The MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer Kit, MP07825EU, is designed for users looking for a reliable and efficient 3D printing solution, ideal for both home and school environments. It features a large print size of 11.6 by 7.6 by 6.5 inches, offering ample space for a variety of projects. One standout feature is the swappable Smart Extruder Plus, which ensures quick and easy changes between different printing tasks and material types, including PLA, a commonly used filament for 3D printing. The printer is equipped with a factory-level flex build plate, which provides a stable and secure platform for prints to adhere to. The flex build plate is flexible, making it easy to remove finished prints without the risk of damaging them. This feature is particularly beneficial for educational settings, where users may be frequently interacting with the printer. For those seeking ease of use, the MakerBot Replicator Plus is designed with a user-friendly interface. It includes pre-configured settings for optimal print results, allowing users to focus on their projects rather than troubleshooting technical aspects. The 3D printer is also compatible with MakerBot's cloud-based software, which allows for easy file management and remote access. The Replicator Plus is known for its fast PLA printing capabilities, making it an efficient choice for those who require quick turnaround times on their prints. The printer is also built with durability in mind, ensuring long-term reliability. It's well-suited for a wide range of users, from educators and students to hobbyists and professionals. In summary, the MakerBot Replicator Plus 3D Printer Kit is a versatile, easy-to-use 3D printing solution with a strong focus on reliability and speed. Its swappable Smart Extruder Plus and factory-level build plate make it an excellent option for both beginners and advanced users. Number 2. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 3D printer is a high-performance DIY 3D printer that delivers advanced features for both beginners and experienced users. One of its key selling points is its impressive printing speed of up to 250 mm per second, allowing for faster print times without compromising quality. This makes it ideal for users who require efficient production for a variety of 3D printing projects. The printer comes equipped with several upgraded features, such as the CR Touch Auto Leveling System, which ensures precise bed leveling and enhances print quality by automatically adjusting the print bed before each session. The Sprite Direct Extruder offers improved filament feeding, allowing for better control over the extrusion process, which is particularly helpful when using flexible filaments. Additionally, the Autoload filament feature simplifies the filament loading process, making it more user-friendly. The Ender-3 V3 SE features a dual Z-axis and Y-axis system, providing enhanced stability and precision during printing. This upgrade helps to maintain a consistent print quality even on larger or more intricate projects. The build volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches offers ample space for creating a wide range of objects, from small prototypes to larger designs, making it versatile for various uses. This model also boasts improved durability and reliability compared to previous iterations, ensuring that it can withstand prolonged use. The printer is suitable for a wide variety of users, including hobbyists, educators, and professionals who require precision, speed, and convenience in their 3D printing endeavors. In summary, the Creality Ender-3 V3 3D printer offers a fast, precise, and reliable 3D printing experience. With features like CR Touch Auto Leveling, Sprite Direct Extruder, and dual-axis support, it provides excellent value for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 3. AnchorMake M5C 3D Printer. The AnchorMake M5C 3D printer is a high-performance, versatile 3D printing solution designed for both hobbyists and professionals. One of its standout features is its impressive printing speed of up to 500 mm per second, making it one of the fastest 3D printers in its category. This high-speed capability significantly reduces print times, allowing users to complete projects quickly without compromising on quality. The M5C comes equipped with an all-metal hot end, enabling it to support a wide range of filaments, including those requiring high-temperature printing, up to 300 degrees Celsius. This feature broadens the printer's material compatibility, making it suitable for advanced printing needs such as high-temperature materials like ABS, PTG, and more. To enhance printing precision and ease of use, the M5C features a 7x7 auto-leveling system. This ensures an even and consistent first layer, reducing the likelihood of print failures due to bed leveling issues. The auto-leveling function is especially useful for users who are new to 3D printing, as it simplifies setup and ensures optimal print quality. With a print volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, the M5C offers ample space for creating a variety of projects, from small prototypes to larger models. The printer's intuitive control system can be accessed via multiple devices, offering users the flexibility to monitor and control the printer remotely, increasing convenience during use. The AnkerMake M5C is designed with user-friendliness and speed in mind, making it an excellent choice for users who need both fast performance and reliable results. It combines advanced features like high-speed printing, an all-metal hot end, and auto-leveling to provide a smooth and efficient 3D printing experience. In summary, the AnkerMake M5C 3D printer offers a fast, versatile, and user-friendly 3D printing experience, making it ideal for users looking for speed, precision, and material flexibility. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini combo is a feature-packed 3D printing solution that includes the A1 Mini 3D printer and the AMS Lite unit, designed for users who want to explore multicolor 3D printing with ease. This combination offers high-speed and precise printing, making it a versatile choice for both beginners and experienced makers. One of the key features of the A1 Mini is its ability to support multicolor 3D printing, which is facilitated by the AMS Lite, an automatic material system that efficiently handles filament changes and color switching. This system allows users to create complex, multicolor prints without the need for manual intervention, making it a great option for detailed and artistic projects. The A1 Mini is designed for high-speed and high-precision printing, ensuring that users can produce high-quality prints in less time. It features full auto-calibration, which simplifies setup and ensures that the printer is always in optimal condition for accurate prints. Additionally, the active flow rate compensation system adjusts the extrusion speed in real time, further improving print quality and reducing potential issues like under-extrusion. Another notable aspect of the A1 Mini combo is its quiet operation, with noise levels of less than or equal to 48 dB. This makes the printer suitable for use in quieter environments such as home offices, classrooms, or shared workspaces, without disrupting the surrounding area. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini combo combines high-speed printing, precision, and ease of use, with features like full auto-calibration and active flow rate compensation to ensure excellent results. Its ability to handle multicolor printing and operate quietly makes it a strong choice for users seeking both performance and convenience. In summary, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini combo offers a powerful, quiet, and efficient 3D printing experience, perfect for those who want to create high-quality multicolor prints with minimal effort. Number 5. Original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas. The original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas 3D printer kit is a highly regarded DIY 3D printer designed for both beginners and experienced users who enjoy assembling their own machines. Known for its ease of assembly, this kit offers a fun and educational building experience while ensuring that users end up with a high-quality, reliable 3D printer. The kit includes all necessary components for assembly, and a filament sample to get started right away. One of the standout features of the 4 Malawian Kwachas is its automatic calibration system, which ensures that the print bed is properly leveled and aligned, reducing the setup time and increasing the chances of successful prints. This feature is especially helpful for beginners, as it eliminates the need for manual bed leveling, a common hurdle in 3D printing. The MK4's print size of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches provides ample space for a wide variety of 3D printing projects, from prototypes to more complex designs. The removable print sheets are another convenient feature, allowing for easy removal of prints and simplifying maintenance. The flexibility of the print bed also contributes to better adhesion and a smoother print removal process. The Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas excels in providing a beginner-friendly experience without sacrificing quality. It includes detailed assembly instructions, so even first-time builders can confidently put together the printer. Once assembled, users can rely on its excellent print quality, precision, and reliability, making it suitable for both educational purposes and personal projects. In summary, the original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas 3D printer kit offers a fun and approachable DIY experience, automatic calibration, and a solid print size. It's an ideal choice for users who want to learn about 3D printing while building a top-quality, high-performance machine.